Get back to that story. Gauteng continues to be the epicenter of the COVID-19 virus in the country, and it's why the Gauteng Health Department is becoming more aggressive in its approach. The focus on tracers and mobile testing is intensifying to assist the country find those exposed to the pandemic more quickly. Newsroom Africa's FSACCI has more on that story.
This is one of 6 cars donated by Peugeot to the Gauteng Health Department. Now, these cars will assist tracers in moving around the province, identifying and mobile testing of Gauteng residents of the COVID-19 virus.
The cars will be used by our tracers, our tracing teams, and also when we do our mass screening and testing activations in throughout the townships and the informal settlements. It's just one way of adding up mobility and make sure that our department can easily trace and get people who we need to be actually contacted. I think tracing is one important aspect of the fight against the pandemic. And it's with the extension that we welcome so much of the lockdown. It's going to give us more time to be able to trace all the known contacts, and it's also going to play a bigger role in our mass testing, mass screening and testing campaign that we have launched and that we are going to roll out and ramp up in the coming weeks. We've already trained over 8,000 of our community health care workers. The only thing now is there are those who are already on the ground and who are doing the tracing every day. But they are part of the tracing team. They are coming in with a good experience of the history that they have when they are working on tracing on HIV and TB. So we are banking on that actual particular experience from them. But it has been a good show by them and also their commitment.
With the lockdown extension, the government hopes to tighten its grips on the regulations, as some South Africans failed to comply in the second week of the lockdown. It is hoped the extension will be a make-or-break period to win the fight against the spread of the virus. For Newsroom Africa, Channel 405, I'm FSACCI in Midrand.